GM and welcome to a new video. Today's the day PENGU is dropping. Thanks to everyone who watched the last video. Now we know that today, December 17th, is the date that PENGU is actually launching. Congrats to everyone that watched my previous video because it took some people by surprise. For example, Xier, maybe he and also Pranksy should have watched my previous video, but it's confirmed that elite chat roles on the abstract Discord are getting a PENGU allocation, but only if they filled out the form. So yeah, there's been a lot of coping and people raging on the abstract Discord and also on X about how unfair all of this is. But to be honest, this is crypto, this is Web3, and if you're not active, then you're gonna lose out on things. So congrats to everyone that actually filled out the form, did it in time, and let's hope we get a big PENGU airdrop for this. What do we know? The token is launching today at 8 a.m. EST. This is in roughly an hour once I post this video, and this is 2 p.m. for example for us in Germany or in Europe. The claim goes live for all eligible participants. So for the Pudgy Penguins, ecosystem holders of the Pudgies, the Lil Pudgies, the Rocks, and the Soulbound tokens will be able to claim at 8 a.m. EST. You will have 88 days to claim, and all the unclaimed supply will be functionally locked and burned forever after the 88th day. So please do not rush to claim, says Luca here, and make sure to triple check the link you're claiming from and cross-reference our Discord, Luca's X account, and the main Pudgy Penguins account before you connect anything. And I want to emphasize on this, there will be so much FOMO on this. The estimates, we're gonna take a look at this in a couple of seconds, are crazy valuations, so people will have a lot of FOMO. There will be so many scammers out there, so really watch out. There have been a lot of PENGU tokens already that are trading, that have a lot of volume. Double, triple, quadruple check if you're actually on the correct claim side, if you're able to claim, and also if you want to buy the token. I'm not sure if it's clever if you're not a pro to trade within the first couple of hours because there will be a really high volatility. So make sure to really check if you have the correct contract address. Only check it with the official Pudgy Penguins account. There's always a lot of scammers impersonating the official accounts. They will be under the posts. I don't see some of them here, but they definitely will be some. They look so similar. So actually make super sure that you're on the correct Twitter account and also that you have the correct claim site or contract address. On top of that, the Pudgy Toys, you can actually claim this once abstract chain goes live. So you will still need some time, but for most of the other communities, probably as far as we know, the claim will also be tomorrow, but we'll find out more about this later. Then what else do I have? At 2 p.m. UTC, Binance will go live trading of PENGU. So also Binance Listing day 1, which is a very nice W for PENGU. And how's the token trading? Actually, it went down a little bit, but yeah, the estimates are crazy. We're gonna take a look at this. So there's some crazy evaluations and estimates on where we will land and how high the allocation can be on the different predictions. Here you can see this, that someone prepared. I actually don't know which Twitter account posted this, so if you notice, let me know in the comments, then I will definitely link the account. I just saw this on Discord and wanted to show this. So here with the 3 billion fully diluted value, that would give actually an allocation worth $54,000 for the big PENGUs. Lil will get 8,000, Rocks a bit less, and the elite chats, this is for everyone that filled out the form, would be approximately $4,000, which is roughly an ETH, just for Discord connection and filling out the form. So let's see if this is true. Even though if the fully diluted value is only 500 million, which I actually don't think it would still be a nice 3-digit airdrop for us. So let's find out. We will know more once the launch is there. Apparently there will be a major bull announcement from Luca before the token actually drops or before the claim goes live. So we will soon know more. I will do an update video tomorrow once the token is live, once we know what the announcement from Luca was. Stay safe. Try not to get scammed. Double check. If you're not sure what you're doing, probably you shouldn't be doing it. So maybe hold back and take a look from the sidelines. And then, see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you like my content. Send it to your friends and see you next time.